Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a makeup tutorial for Halloween. This is inspired by It the Clown. Of course, we're doing another clown look per usual because I couldn't come up with anything original, so this is what we are doing in this video. Now, to first start off, I already have the left side of my face beat because I want to do like a half face, half clown. So it's kind of scary, but not really scary type of look. What we're doing right here is drawing the outline of this clown face. Now, this is sped up, but I did take my time to draw out and precisely place this face exposure right here. I'm using an eyeliner. You can really use any eyeliner. I'm a little bit all over the place. I just want to give you guys a warning. This is how the video went. Because when you do stuff like this, it's hard to be organized and know exactly what to start with. So right here, I'm putting white above my eyebrows because this is the most space that needs white. And I did this because I wanted to layer on the whiteness. I want it to be very opaque. But the first layer of this is really translucent. I knew this paint needed to dry, so this is why I started off with that paint above my eyebrow. Now I'm going back in with my eyeliner. I am drawing out some of the shading that's going to be with the clown's face, but in this part I actually remove this, and you'll see a little clip of this part in the video. I removed it and redraw the line because I kind of messed up a little bit. So if you want to remove eyeliner from your face, you can take a little bit of eye makeup remover that's oil based, and it's super easy to remove, and then you can just go back in and place that line wherever you wanted to. See what I did here, guys? I messed up. I made the clown lips, a little bit too thin. So that is why I went back, removed it, and did it over. So here it is. This is where I'm removing it. Learn from my mistakes, guys. Don't make the lips too thin. It'll look weird. Okay, so now I'm going back in with the eyeliner again, and this is me creating the lips. And draw it up and then bring it down. Ta-da! These are the clown lips. And then on top, this top line is basically a shading just to add a little bit more, dimension. And then I went back with the paint again just to start building and covering my eyebrows. What is everyone's plan for Halloween, though? I kind of want to know. Guys, leave in the comments. Let me know what you're doing. Me and my girlfriends are celebrating this Saturday, so I am so excited. We're going to North Carolina for a Diplo festival. It's going to be lit. So if you guys see me, come get a picture with me. Don't be afraid to say hey. So right here, I am shading my eyeball in an eyeball crease. I left a little space just to add a little bit more, I don't know, dimension. This is also eyeliner as well. I just picked something that was smooth and easy to place on. I just want you guys to know this entire look took at least an hour and a half. This video is really short because I sped everything up. It just takes a good minute to design and be very diligent and detailed with this makeup. Right here, I'm taking a cat liner and making some kind of like winged eyeliner for the clown, just to add extra, I don't know, oomph. A little extra pizzazz. Oh, sorry guys, I am so tired. It is 11:37. I had a long day at work, and gotta hustle, gotta grind, gotta do this video for you guys, edit and upload because I want it out there for y'all. This voiceover is gonna be the worst. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm going in many times with this face mask paint. And I prefer this paint instead of the wax because the wax will be transparent. At least for me, with my experience, the wax will always be trash compared to the cream liquid one that's in the tube. So I'm just building it up. Build it until you get that opaqueness that you like. Now this is a Kylie Jenner 22 matte lipstick, liquid lipstick. It was a little dry on me, so I switched over to Tarte matte lipstick instead because that one was still liquidy. It was a little bit thick, but a little bit more liquidy. The Kylie one dried out on me, so there's that. I am filling in his nose at the moment. I don't have any tip for you guys here. I think if I can go back and redo this look, I would smudge the nose out a little bit more to make it look a little bit more natural and, I don't know, more shaded. I feel like I wouldn't have made that nose so precise. So if you guys want to try that, smudge the nose out where you don't see the line. I think it would look really cool. Right now we're just filling in the lines where we are creating his lips. Ta-da! And for this part, the most tedious part of all, we are creating his scary ass teeth. Now the pointier the teeth, the scarier it'll look. The more dull it is, the less scary it'll look. So it's really up to you what you want. This part you just make sure you go really slow, but don't worry if you mess up, you will be fine. Because nothing better to cover your mistakes than black paint. Black paint will cover any mistake you have. So you guys can kind of tell I just like willy-nilly these teeth right here. They look hideous, right? But as I started painting inside the mouth, you can really paint over all of your mistakes. And the white you put in, you can pretty much recreate the teeth. So just draw something in there that'll kind of have like an outline where you need to put each tooth. You will be fine. It just takes a little bit of time, that's all. I'm filling the inside of my lips right now. So as soon as you finish doing that, just briefly, you can start filling in your teeth color, and this will take, of course, a long time to layer and get the whiteness, the white intensity that you want. But I'm gonna fast forward for you guys because it's gonna put me to sleep. We're just filling this in. Filling this in. Rise and shine. Have you guys seen that video of Kylie singing? It went viral. I thought that note was pretty good. My brother thought it was trash. But my brother's a music major, so he knows a lot more music than I do. I thought it was good though. She was like, rise and shine. And then Ariana was like, rise and shine. Ariana's so good. Ariana did like a cover of it on her Instagram story. I thought it was the cutest thing. Okay, the next part will be filling this in and cleaning up the lines. And of course this takes a good bit of time as well. So you guys can see right now the face looks a little flat, right? You can see this clown look isn't quite there yet. What really will make this look is the shading. It's all about the shading, and that's what I'm doing right now with this line that's in the center of the face. I went in with a little bit of eyeliner and then back with the white to make this little gray shading right under that line to kind of make this face pop a little bit more. Actually, a lot more. A whole lot more. Should I sing for you guys? This part is gonna take a while. Now we're just filling it in. Ta-da. And we are creating this eyebrow. Now the higher the arch, the meaner this clown will look. The more evil this clown will look. So make that arch high, guys. Arch that brow. I'm choking on air. Okay, of course it's going to take a minute to fill this in as well. And I am going to fast forward this for you guys. Right now, I am going in with some black. And I'm going to try to shade this midline into the white. Now you'll see me go back and forth a good bit with the gray and with the black and then the white, and going back in with the black and the white to shade out this midline. You want to add some dimension. Right here I grabbed a little bit of red to kind of make it look like the face is flush. The clown is kind of pulling away from the flesh, or you know, there's some sort of animation right here, so it'll look more realistic. Like this clown is behind this pretty made up face, left side versus right side. You guys feel me? Y'all get this? I'm so sorry, I'm coughing. Something's in my throat. Okay, so you just want to blend in, shade it back and forth. I also am going to go in with some concealer because this concealer is going to make it look more fleshy. So I added a little bit of concealer in the midline as well. Right here. This is concealer by Maybelline. I like this one a lot because it blended in really well. Helped me blend out that red line too. But see, it just adds more dimension to this face. This clown look is really popping out. You feel me, guys? I went in with a little bit more white and then shaded out a little bit. Sometimes I feel like I put a little bit too much black, so you guys can be really careful with that black paint or black eyeliner. The moment you put too much, you'll pretty much mess up the entire look. So right now I got my little eyeliner and of course eyeshadow, and you want to lightly make this wrinkly line. You don't want to make it too dark because if it's too dark it won't look like wrinkles. Now if you want to do like a light black, light gray faded wrinkle line, it'll look more realistic. But just know, if you're heavy-handed, it ain't gonna work. That's the only tip I have for you on this part right here. You guys see how I'm doing like this feather stroke? Feather stroke will definitely help get that pretty line that you like. Ta-da! And I'm also going to place one around my chin. Yes. I left this part unfast forward original setting because I want you guys to see how the feather strokes would work. You just want to kind of go back and forth until the line is there. At the end of this part, I did go back with some eyeliner just to make it a little bit more dark, but of course fade it out a little bit just so those wrinkles can really pop up. see, you can, on this footage, I made it a little bit darker and then I went back in with this little brush to fade it out a little bit. You guys see what I mean? If you make it too dark, it won't look like wrinkles. It'll just look like black lines. So I end up fading it at the end a little bit more just to make it look more realistic. And of course, you can't forget that red line that the clown always has. Not really always, but he has this red line. Add a little bit more detail. Hey, but if you guys want to see anything else next year or upcoming Thanksgiving, if you guys want to see those looks, please let me know in the comments. The cherry on top of this look will be a red eye contact. Sadly, I only had it for the picture. I didn't have it at the moment of filming. So if you got some red contacts, but who does? It will make the entire look come together, sis. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching.